For daily hacks on the human body, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be notified on our newest videos. Benefits of eating oats every day. My breakfast is never complete without a healthy serving of oats. My love for oats started while I was still in college, and it became stronger when I realized that oats are very healthy. They are mainly eaten in the morning with breakfast as porridge, but you can find oats in healthy snacks and biscuits which taste even better with the oats. Discovering the health benefits of oats made me so excited. I also found out that you can either buy the processed oats, which are quicker to cook, or the real oats, also called the oat groats, which require more intensive cooking. I am still enjoying the benefits of including oats in my daily meals, and I would like to share some of the amazing goodness that you can get by eating your favorite oat porridge brand daily. Oats contain important nutrients. You can make up your body's nutrient requirements to start the day in the morning by eating oats. In its different forms, porridge or snacks, oats is a reliable source of nutrients such as carbohydrates, vitamin B1, zinc, iron, protein. Oats aid in your digestive system. The fiber contents in oats is very high. Having oatmeal every day will improve the functions of your digestive system due to the high fiber content. It also promotes the growth of beneficial bacteria culture in your gut, which aids internal processes. You can prevent uncomfortable conditions such as constipation by eating oats regularly. Oats can reduce bad cholesterol. There are many reasons you should get rid of bad cholesterol in your bloodstream. This is the cholesterol that tends to clog your arteries, causing circulatory issues. Oats contain sufficient amounts of beta-glucan, which is a water-soluble fiber. Beta-glucan is known to help the body eliminate cholesterol that can lead to health complications in the future. Eat oats to lose weight. The fiber content in oats can make you feel less hungry for longer periods. This means you can effectively reduce the amount of food you consume by eating a normal serving of oats porridge with your breakfast. While the porridge will make you feel satisfied, you will also benefit from the calories in the oatmeal, which will provide enough energy needed to have a productive day at work. Oats provide a natural remedy for constipation. If you are feeling constipated, you probably need a serving of oat porridge. The fiber content in oats will aid your digestive system to become free, providing you much-needed relief from constipation. This is one of the reasons oatmeal is recommended for older adults who may be prone to experiencing constipation due to the degenerating capacities of their digestive system. There are many more benefits you can get from eating oats daily. Moreover, the best part is that oats are very affordable and easy to prepare. You can make a bowl of steaming oats porridge in less than 10 minutes, only for processed oats. There are also many brands of processed oats in the markets. Some brands have smoother oats, while others are quite coarse. However, trying out the different options will help you decide on a preference. Start enjoying the benefits of oats today. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more interesting facts on the human body, subscribe to the channel.